incarnation of Lord Krishna was a he loved to eat butter मतलब माखन. Krishna loved his mother very much. He loved to play. Oh. He loved to play. Krishna always wore a on his. Krishna lifted the to protect villagers from rain. Krishna many demons, including his evil uncle. Krishna loved and respected his friend. Krishna revealed Bhagavad Gita to great archer. We celebrate Krishna's birth as
जन्माष्टमी.
Jai Shri Krishna.
जय श्री कृष्ण.